Hi, it's Ty with WTI, and this T-fal Ecomaster iron is very good, for example, ironing your clothes. So these are some of the things I like about this. It's not very heavy, so it's easy to handle, but it's enough heavy to make sure that you get nice results even with tough materials like linen that gets very wrinkly. And because it has ceramic plate, it doesn't get easily stuck even on synthetic materials, which is a nice thing. And you have enough many settings for different steams or no steam. And the results are very nice. I just like very simple, basic irons. And what is nice thing also about the T-fal that I have here is that it has the auto shot, automatic stop mechanism, which I was always paranoid with my older iron because it didn't have that. And I leave the iron here, so I know after a certain time it just turns off and I don't have to worry about it. Beautiful turquoise, good quality. Looking forward for having always non-wrinkly clothes when I want to have non-wrinkly clothes, and that of course is just my point of view.